So on today's menu, we are going to be making this lump-free, yummy kunun shinkafa using Ayoola Rice Flour. In a clean pot, add in 3 cups of fresh milk and allow it to boil. While that is boiling, we are going to work on our secret ingredient, which is Ayoola Rice Flour. Now transfer some of the rice flour into a bowl and add in some water. We are just going to make a paste. That is enough mixing. Now our milk has been boiling for over 15 minutes. All we have to do is add in our Ayoola rice flour mixture. Reduce the flame, stir until it thickens. The rice flour is produced from finely milled white rice. It is gluten-free. It is the perfect flour for northern Nigerian delicacies like tuwon shinkafa and masa. It can be used as crisp coating to pan-fried dishes and pancakes. Available in 0.9 kg and 1.8 kg pack sizes. Now I decided to add in some apples, some bananas, some raisins and some coconut flakes. You can do any topping of your choice. Add in some honey just to bring everything together. I promise you this looks and tastes amazing. All you have to do is serve and enjoy. Thank you.